Oh, finally. Okay. So we are looking at graphing polynomial functions. We're going to start off by looking at different kinds of behavior of them. So if I have a degree 0, this means I don't have an x term and it's constant. An example of this would be like f of x equals 3. So it just equals a number and there's no variable when it's a constant. Not a consonant, but yes, you do. You should have learned it in... Should have been in Algebra 1. It just, a constant is just, it equals a number. I'm just showing you an example. It doesn't have to equal 3, I'm just showing you. Yeah. Okay. Linear equation. You've seen these before. This is where it's in y equals mx plus b form, so something like 2x plus 4. Okay. Quadratic, we learned in the last chapter and in Algebra 1, so this would be something like 3x squared minus 5x plus 1. So I have an x squared term in quadratic.
Wait, what?
What?
Wait, what did you say before that?
Oh, quadratic has the x squared term. This is just what we... Yeah. So I keep adding terms. So like notice constant didn't have any x's. Linear had an x. Quadratic adds the x squared term.
Yeah.
So then cubic's going to add a cubed term. Okay. Quartic is with the exponent of 4, like quarters in a dollar.
I'm going to take it off. It scared me, son. I haven't even got my warning. What if it just goes straight up to Google? Oh, you gotta do it. I don't understand that. You do it. It's gonna stuff in your eyes.
Okay. So on my examples, it wants me to decide if each function is a polynomial function. If it is, it wants me to write it in standard form. So this is highest exponent to lowest. The degree is the highest exponent. Yeah, you've done this before, I think, in Algebra 1. The type is this up here. And leading coefficient is the number in front of the highest exponent.
How much does it cost to pay for parking for this?
This one is only like $30.
$30? What?
Yeah.
It's 25 for the whole year?
Yeah. It's not that bad. How much does it cost for the boot?
25 bucks.
See, you might as well just buy the parking permit.
Take it off 70 bucks?
Okay.
Maybe you take it off. Yeah.
So I'm gonna write this in standard form. What is the one with my highest exponent? Mm-hmm. And then the next highest exponent? What? That's okay. Yeah. And then the 8 at the end. Okay? I can... Is that good? It's not really zooming, it's just pushing the camera closer. You need it closer? Okay. Okay. What is my degree? 3. My type? Are you for reals? I'm gonna... I've just been having an awful week and I don't need this. Let me try disconnecting and reconnecting and see if that fixes it. We do.
I wouldn't be able to do that because I wouldn't be able to do this on the stage. Just change the tire. Just change the tire. Put my spare on it. Oh no, but it's the boom I have caused because it's my rim. I was using the rim right there.
There you go. Okay. What is the type? So when it has degree 3, what type is it? Cubic. And my leading coefficient? What is that? I don't... Okay, so questions on any of that for number 1? The exponent, the highest exponent? Yeah, that's all we have to do. Thank you. I got them done on Saturday. This is the first time I've ever actually had them done. Like, what? Professionally.
Wait, those are like the
They're gels. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah? Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh.
He came up and he like swatted it and he had like attached himself to my hand.
Okay, so which one do I want to write first in standard form? Yep. Then which one goes next? Yeah, just leave it like that. And then... And then minus the 12. It goes highest exponent to lowest. Oh, okay. What's my degree? And my type? Quartic. Huh? Because, oops, that's not on the screen. Degree 4 is always quartic. So the numbers always match the degrees. I mean, the numbers always match it. Okay? And my leading coefficient, just square root of 2. Because the coefficient just means the number. Because the x was taken care of with the degree. Okay? Yeah. Is number 3 a polynomial? It's what we've been working with. So,
Yeah? No?
pick one and tell me why.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, no, it's not. It's negative.
Yeah. Yep. It always has to have positive exponents. That doesn't look like an exclamation point. Okay, what about number 4? It is? And what do I write first?
Wait, why is there no extra? Why is it not a number?
Because it's exponential. Did any of the other ones have x's for an exponent? No. This one's also not a polynomial. Okay, so questions on the first 4. Okay. On 5 and 6, it wants me to evaluate. So it means plug in. Why do my exclamation points just look so ugly? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first rewrite this equation. And instead of x, everywhere I have the x, I'm going to replace it with the 3. I'm writing 3 in red in case you're wondering what I was doing. So, I can either choose to solve this all by hand, or I could type it in the calculator. Right side in calculator. So, I don't worry about the f of 3 part. In right side in calculator. I'm sorry. I was trying. So, but you don't, because this is just what it equals. It's like, it's me, remember f of anything is the same thing as saying y equals, so I don't have to type this piece in. So in the calculator, I'm going to clear off my screen, I'm going to type it exactly like I wrote it. So I'm going to have 2 parentheses 3. Do you guys remember how to get the exponents? The little up, that's right here. We've been using squared. There's a squared button. Oh, okay. No, but you have to be careful. Oh, don't do what I did. I wanted to say, when you type the exponent, you have to remember to arrow over to get back to regular size numbers, and then 8 times parentheses 3. No. Plus 5. Algebra 2.
Why like teaching algebra 2 better?
Huh?
Why like algebra 2 better?
I just like the math that's involved in algebra 2. Oh, you can't see my answer. 98. That's the whole answer. Yeah. So questions on number 5? Nope. This is just telling me I plugged in 3 and I got out 98. That's all the left side tells me. Okay? So I'm going to do the same thing for number 6. What'd you say, Jessica? Oh. Okay. Okay, so then I want to type this in. Does anyone have an answer for this? Yep. So questions on what we did today. Okay, take a few minutes to work on the few on the back.